the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And today we're diving deep into the leaks that have the entire drone community on the edge of their seats. If you've ever dreamed of effortless aerial adventures with pro-level results, stick around because what I'm about to reveal might just convince you this is the drone that's going to redefine your 2026 skies. We're talking game-changing specs, hidden features, and why this could be the must-have gadget for creators, travelers, and hobbyists alike. Don't go anywhere, trust me. By the end of this, you'll be itching to hit that pre-order button. Let's start by setting the scene. DJI has been dominating the drone world for years, right? From the original Mini that made flying accessible to everyone, to the Mini 4 Pro that pushed boundaries with its smart obstacle avoidance and crystal-clear imaging. But now, whispers from insiders and leaked documents are pointing to the Mini 5 Pro as the next evolution. A drone that's not just an upgrade, but a revolution. Picture this. It's early 2026, and you're out in the wilderness, launching this bad boy with a single button press. No controller needed. Sounds futuristic. Well, according to the leaks, it's closer than you think. First off, let's talk about that weight. The Mini series has always been about staying under that magical 250-gram threshold to avoid pesky FAA registrations in the USA. And the leaks confirm the Mini 5 Pro nails it, clocking in at just 249 grams. That means you can toss it in your backpack for a hike in the Grand Canyon or a spontaneous beach shoot in California without worrying about red tape. But don't let the lightness fool you. This thing is built tough. Rumors suggest reinforced propellers and a more durable frame to handle those unexpected gusts or minor bumps. Imagine flying over Yosemite's waterfalls, capturing every misty detail, and not stressing if a branch gets too close. Now the camera? Oh man, this is where it gets exciting. The big leak here is the 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor with an f/1.8 aperture. If you're into photography, you know what that means. Insane low-light performance. Think dusk flights over New York City, where the skyline pops with vibrant colors and zero noise. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, this is a massive leap. Leaks from FCC filings and insider photos show it supporting 4K at 60 frames per second in HDR, plus 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. Picture slowing down a bald eagle's dive or a surfer catching a wave in Hawaii. Every feather, every droplet crystal clear. And get this, up to 14 stops of dynamic range. That means no more blown-out highlights in bright Arizona deserts or lost shadows in foggy Seattle mornings. But wait, there's more on the imaging front. The gimbal? Leaks point to a near 360-degree rotation around 330 degrees, to be precise. That opens up creative angles you couldn't dream of before, like panning fully around a subject without repositioning the drone. And LiDAR? Yes, the leaks confirm integrated LiDAR for advanced obstacle sensing. No more heart-stopping near misses with trees or buildings during your urban explorations in Chicago. This tech, borrowed from DJI's higher-end models like the Air 3S, means the Mini 5 Pro can navigate complex environments autonomously. Imagine setting it to follow you on a mountain bike trail in Colorado, dodging rocks and branches like a pro. Flight time is another hot topic in these leaks. The standard battery is rumored at 2,785 mAh, but the Plus version bumps it to 3,350 mAh. Promising up to 52 minutes in the air. That's huge for USA pilots. Think extended sessions filming the northern lights in Alaska or patrolling vast farmlands in the Midwest without constant swaps. And efficiency. Leaks suggest improved motors and aerodynamics for better wind resistance, up to level 5. So, even on blustery days at the Great Lakes, you'll stay stable. Let's not forget connectivity. The OcuSync 4.0 transmission system is leaked to deliver 1080p live feeds up to 20 kilometers. For American users, that means reliable control from afar, whether you're scouting real estate in Texas or capturing wildlife in Yellowstone. Plus, a secret launch button on the drone itself. No controller required for quick takeoffs. Handy for those solo adventures where every second counts. Now, pricing, always the elephant in the room. Leaks from European retailers peg the base model at around $799, with the Fly More combo hitting $1,129, including the RC2 controller and extra batteries. For USA buyers, expect similar figures, maybe with some bundle deals on Amazon or Best Buy. Is it worth it? If the specs hold, absolutely, especially with features like Active Track 6.0 for smarter subject following and Master Shots for automated cinematic sequences. But let's get real, what about the competition? Sure, Auto and others are nipping at DJI's heels, but the Mini